without further ado, let's get into this presentation, baby. What is astrology? Okay. Astrology is the study of how celestial bodies affect energy, especially psychologically. The energies that combine together to create different things in the universe exist within everything. Everything natural is alive, including nature, planets, and stars. So understand that these living things have consciousnesses. When different units of consciousnesses interact with each other, they are affected by one another. You know what I'm saying? Because the celestial bodies are conscious and so incredibly massive, we are unconsciously affected by the energies coming from them the same way we are affected by the sun. You know what I'm saying? You know how the sun affects you psychologically? For example, you are more prone to be depressed if you don't get a whole lot of sunlight, but less likely to become depressed if you get more sunlight. You know what I'm saying? That's just one small example of how the sun affects you psychologically. That's not just the sun, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's every planet in our solar system and star systems. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into all of that. So especially psychologically, when they talk about archetypes, gods, and star systems, this is what they're talking about. They're talking about the macro, which is astrology, okay? The macrocosm and the microcosm is connected and is in constant communication with each other at all times. This duality together creates the all, which we call God, you know what I'm saying? Before I get into it, just understand that the way astrology works is I'm about to get into all of the different sun signs, but there's a sign for every celestial body or every planet. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, understand that traits of some planets cancel out traits of different planets. So this does not mean that you will exactly be the way that the sun sign will tell you, but you will for the most part, because the sun is associated with self-identity. But just understanding that these explanations of energy expression are just what you are prone to expressing yourself, you know what I'm saying, in that way. Okay, so let's get into it, okay? I just had to break that down and understand it real quick so, you know what I'm saying, people understand what real astrology is, you know what I'm saying? It's not just, you look at your sun sign, what month was I born in, and then, you know what I'm saying, you get everything you need to know. Get your natal chart done, you know what I'm saying? Get your birth chart done so that you can understand how every planet plays out in your personal energetic expression and personality. So, without further ado, let's get into these zodiacs, okay?